So today we're going to make a sauerkraut and red onion pancake. We're going to start out making the dipping sauce, which is essentially 3 parts soy sauce, 2 parts vinegar, 1 part sweetener, in this case honey, and another 1 part water. I also added chopped garlic, ginger, and chili flakes to the mix. I just heated it up in order to take the edge off of the vinegar. When that's complete, for the pancake itself, I'm going to thinly slice this red onion. I also added 2 cloves of finely minced garlic to the batter. I wanted to end up with about 230 grams of vegetables. So whatever these 2 items weighed, I wanted to balance that out with the sauerkraut for the remainder of the weight. So I'm going to make sure all those veggies are separated and then add roughly 75 grams of bread flour. If you don't have bread flour, you can use all-purpose flour. I did add a good pinch of salt and a good dash of black pepper. I made sure that the flour was thoroughly combined and mixed in with the vegetables before I added the water to the batter. That way I would be avoiding clumps. Next, I'm going to add roughly the same amount of water as flour in increments, just in case I don't need as much as 75 grams. And now I'm going to mix everything thoroughly to combine. I'll let this sit for 5-10 minutes or so as I heat up the oil to fry this pancake. I'm using a carbon steel pan with neutral oil on high temperature, and I'm preparing some paper towels on a cooling rack. Place the pancake after it's all done. Starting out at a higher temperature is a good idea, and then gradually reducing it to medium temperature to prevent burning. The whole process will take 12 to 15 minutes. I'm going to do 5 minutes on each side on medium heat. Flip over to the first side for an additional 2 minutes, and then flip again right before serving.